Thank you for choosing the Kegel maintenance videos. Today we will be replacing the buffer belt on our IKON Lane machine. With the machine turned on, we will now want to raise our brush to the up position. Press main menu, I/O test, output test, and finally brush lift. With the brush in the up position, we will now disconnect power from the machine. With the brush in the up position, you will now want to stand the machine up to the transport position. I've taken the liberty of removing the 7-pin side cover. If you need assistance, refer to our side cover removal video. We will now want to locate the jam nut for our buffer belt idler assembly. Go to the transfer system, and right above you will see the jam nut protruding through the side wall. Using your 9/16 socket, loosen the jam nut. With your idler loose, take your hand up to the buffer pulley and your other hand and rotate the buffer brush, working the belt off the pulley. Take your new belt, loop it around the brush pulley, remembering to be beneath the idler, and up and over the buffer pulley. Rotate the brush and guide the belt back on. With your new belt now in place, we will now want to lower the machine back to the transport position and return the brush to the down position. We'll go to main menu, I/O test, output test, and brush lift. Once in the down position, power the machine off. With the brush now in the down position, we want to take our idler and gently press down on the belt, tightening the jam nut. You're looking for the belt to be snug tight, not super tight, with a little bit of play. With your tension now set, we will want to test rotation of the buffer brush. Proceed to main menu, I/O test, output test, and finally buffer. With proper tension and rotation achieved, you can now take the lane machine and test on lane.